while and I haven't had the avocado toast. So, sinok ko na yung arugula with the balsamic vinegar. So, lagay na natin on top of the toasted bread. So, yung avocado toast, pag with this arugula, it tastes, it complements yung bitterness ng arugula, tapos yung sourness ng balsamic, medyo matamis-tamis. Put the tomatoes and your, of course, avocado. So, yan yung magbiblend nung taste nung kinakain natin with the egg on top para mayroong kang protein. So, lagyan natin ng paminta kasi para mas sumarap. And there you go. Tapos na yung inyong avocado toast. It's very simple. You can try it guys. And see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.